isikhathi eside ngiloke ngingafuni ukugonyuluka ngalento. Sengibuka inqwaba yama podcast o Agenda Network ile enye engiyithandayo futhi nayo ka Scheme GP. Of which ama platforms a Grand O2 la akhona namanye ne, but lawo yiwa a major phezulu about ama offenders, ama ex-offender angasekho ejele akhuluma izitori zawo zasejele. Into efike ngiphathe kabuhlungu la, majority lama ex-offenders are romanticizer ijele, enzi ijele kwi public or kwi society libukeke ngazathi iholiday inn. Ya understand? Mina umuntu osebenza ejele ngizokutshela straight, musukukhohliswa abantu abake baboshwa baphuma ngaphandle ejele. Bonke labantu balimele engqondweni, balimele enhlizweni, balimele ngayo yonke indlela ongayicabanga, even physically. Abanye bangena ejele bengaguli ndawo, namhlanje banama chronic disease njengoba beyama ex-offenders. Abakuvezi lokho. Ayibona le nto le. Bafowethu, yabona ngizowenza nje example ngento eyodwa engeke ngayibona ngamehlo enzeka phambi kwami. Like siyenzeke ihlandle eningi but nje ngizochaza kule instance eyodwa. Mina ukuba aware kwami nge-anal cancer, ngibe aware nge-anal cancer sengisebenza e-correctional services. And now uma usebenzisa ingqondo, most likely yini into engakhoza ukuthi umuntu abe ne-anal cancer. Ayibona le nto. Lapha engqeni abafowethu baphenduka abafazi. Ya understand? Endakalalo umuntu oyedwa. Enye into kumele uyazi. Ingakho bengeke bavuma ukuthi bake balalwe, bayalazi iqiniso. Akalalwanga umuntu oyedwa. Yayizwa le nto le. Emva kwalapho wonke ama objects ongawacabanga ama contraband noma illegal ejele bawafihla khona lapha kwe-anal, kwe-anus. Yabo? Kungaba ifone iyangena lapha kule yambobo. Ngoku like iboshwe zayifaka ifone engqeni ihlala esiswini. Immese, ama drugs, yonke into ongayicabanga bayayifaka engqeni, bathi ukapha ngolimi lasejele. So wonke labantu laba basafike kulama platformeni abanixoxela ngejele, kungani bengakuvezi ukuthi guys, majority yenu ngaphakathi ejele, I would say 90 to 95% wama offenders bayagula and banama illnesses are serious. Ngikhuluma ngento engiyaziyo, ngikhuluma ngento engiyiphila almost every day, umsebenzi wami lengikhuluma ngawo. Bahanjiswa yimina noza kwethu kuma clinic nasebhedlela. Ya understand? Ayikho into ekuzothiwa mayenziwa odokotela kuthiwa siqhele. Yonke into yenziwa sikhona sibuka. Ayikho offender engangifihlela ukuthi iphethwe yini health wise because idinga mina ukuthi iyosizakala. So musani ukumisleader youth niloke romanticizer ukuba sejele guys. Akuyona kuphela indaba zomalalana ejele. Kuningi okwama factors. Ya understand? Kuningi and okungekho grand. Mangithi kuwe le ndawo yayilimaza ingqondo. Hayi kancane iyayilimaza ingqondo. Iyamlimaza nomuntu siqu sakhe. Ngiyaphinda namanje kukancane ukuthi ngane umuntu ekuthiwa utolile ejele, uphumile ejele, ophila kahle ekhanda. Ngiyakutshela iqiniso lelo. Ukuthi nikasi ibona mawukuthi mhlambe nginesibazi la. Kunezibazi ezingabonakali ngokwehlo lenyama kodwa ezingapholi futhi ezinkulu okudlula isibazi leso sibona ngamehlo. Majority ama ex-offenders abantu abafacane nezinto ezifana nalezo guys. So asiyena ukushuka khotha lento siloke senza ngazathi kwi public there's something nice or something heroic ngokuthi uboshiwe. Yini emnandi ngokuboshwa? Cause ijele livulwa ngo8 ekseni. Ngabo 2:30 to 3 liyakhiwa. Ufana nesilwane esifuyiwe. And emasenkhiyeliwe senivalelwe nodwa emaseleni ngaphakathi yila emkhuba egileka khona. Ali ngikhohliswa abantu imost labafethu abama ex-convict abagijima beyophapha kuma podcast bezenza izinto ezazithafa ejele. Siyazi ukuthi nanidayisa ngemzimba ejele. Abanye bembini omahosha ejele. Khuluma iqiniso. Abanye benu ukuze nithola indlela yokusurvive ejele benidayisa ngezinqa. nimunye amanye amadoda imthondo lapho ukuze nikwazi ukuthi nibe nento ethile niyibekayo etafuleni nani nikwazi ukuhlanganela lezi zinto enizidingayo lapha nalapha. Akungathi namhlanje seningaphandle kumele ngabe yinini enibuye isizwe nitshela abantu iqiniso, nitshela abantu the real traumatic experiences enwaface inside of prison, ukuze ingane ezincane ezikhulayo zokwazi ukuthi akuyona indawo yokudlalela le. Engikwaziyo uyabona ama ex convicts abafundi lesson ngaphakathi ejele, ngeke uwezwe gijima ekhulumana nenombolo estradini, ngeke uwezwe futhi ehambe phapha eqhambisa ukuthi wona akaboshwa kwasho kwagcina. Awayikhulumi lezo zinto. Yilo muntu obede isikhebereshe sasejele ngaphakathi uzofuna ukuzowenza ijele libukeke ngazathi liyinto enhle ngaphandle. Kuno lapha ngaphakathi ningazodlala guys. Mawukuthi wena uyazazi ukuthi uyinkabi, awunasibhamu uzobusiphethe lapha ngaphakathi. Ngisho ukuthi uyazazi ukuthi ulwa kunqamuka izandla namanga, bazokubhebha, ngiyibeka kanje straight, angifuni nokuyiso ukuyimbathisa. Bazokudla. Endudliwa abantu abagulayo ngaphandle kwecondom. Nawe mhla usulijwayela ijele uyobufuna ukuinflicta kwabanye leyo nto, into ehamba kanje le yanto angeke iziphele. Banamanga mabelo bentshetsha abalalo lapha ejele, amanga. Majority yabo mfethu sihlala sibabu yazi mfethu uzoshawa amahloni uthi hayibo kahle lona uthini kahle kahle. Siyanazi phela gents, akushintshanga fakoli siyanazi. Yakani ukumisleader isizwe, tshelani isizwe kuyiqiniso. There's nothing heroic or there's nothing ongayiglorify ngeprison. Nyama lapho.
Good morning, welcome to Ghetto Fame TV network. If you haven't yet subscribed to our TV channel, please do so. This is to help our channel to grow. We are also available in all social media platforms as Ghetto Fame TV. Let us get into it. You know, the things that are happening in this podcast of ex-prisoners coming forward and acting like their lifestyle was nice. I was also watching it. So sometimes we get hooked and we start to really enjoy this podcast, but not knowing the truth behind what is happening. So I'm glad that someone from the correctional services, someone who is there on the daily basis, who is experiencing these things on the daily basis, he has come forward finally and to address that no, these people are not telling you the truth, guys. They must tell you the truth of what is happening. Some of these people, they were wives in prison, and some they are very damaged mentally so because of the things that they were facing in prison. So those kind of news, they are really informative at the end of the day, because we need such, you know, more especially for young generation, so that they could know that no, in prison it's not the luxury life that you will get there. It's not the nastier thing that you always hear about on social media there, Diabu. So comment down below, tell me what's on your mind. Thank you. Danko. Ghetto Fame TV channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ghetto Fame TV, to see our shows, news, events, podcast, advertising, interviews. Ghetto Fame TV channel, from Kasi to the world.